So what's good everybody, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to a fresh new video all the way from Hyderabad.
So here we are with another beautiful episode on your favorite channel, which is the Monday Blues Travels. So with caption you already know where we are going, but before that it's actually a very special day, and today is Rahul's birthday. It's 35 today, and many happy returns of the day, Rahul.
Thank you.
And thank you for coming into my life, and thank you for everything, and love you so much. And it's we're very happy, and तो actually बहुत plans था actually सोचे थे farm house जाएंगे and all that, then finally we thought like we should go out somewhere. And एक और special चीज़ क्या है, इस बार सिर्फ मैं और राहुल दोनों ही नहीं है, इस बार we are going out with family of 9 people and 2 kids, and यहाँ पे already हमारा 2 दोस्त बैठे हुए हैं, जगन and तुलसी, and the Chotu is sleeping. हमारा Chotu भी is very sleepy and all. So yes, it is as you guessed right, we are going to Chirala, which is the nearest beach town to Hyderabad. So people from Hyderabad, the beaches are quite far. The nearest beach for us are the beaches on Bay of Bengal, and बहुत कम options है, whereas for the Arabian Sea, connected to Arabian Sea, there are a lot of there's Goa, there's Konkan coast, there's Mangalore, Udupi, and then followed by Kerala and all. Whereas east में Vizag के बाद there are very less options, then comes the Pondicherry and all. So हमारे लिए for people from Hyderabad, this is kind of an hot spot, Chirala, and this is not the first time we are going there. We have been there a lot of times. The first time was in 2018, that was
2018.
Once upon a time मेरा 20s वाला कुछ बर्थडे था, and then उसके बाद फिर दोस्तों के साथ गए थे, फिर 2019 में गए थे, फिर राहुल गया था बाइक ट्रिप के लिए, वो व्लॉग भी है ऑन द चैनल, बाइक राइड टू चिराला. एट द सेम टाइम अगेन फिर गए थे हम लास्ट 2022 में गए थे, उसका ब्लॉग नहीं बनाए थे. सो ऑल मेनी टाइम्स, बट सो फॉर ब्लॉग नहीं बनाए चिराला. सो वी थॉट व्हाई नॉट यूटिलाइज दिस time and make a beautiful vlog out of this. So we are very excited, and as I told you in the previous vlog as well, बच्चा हमारा स्कूल जाने शुरू हो गया, इज इन PP1. एंड क्यों बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज एंड डिसिप्लिन हो गया हमारे हिसाब से. तो पहले इफ़ यू सीन आवर अर्लियर व्लॉग्स एंड ऑल, हमारा शुरू होता था 10-11 के बाद एंड ऑल. सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड अर्ली, सो वी थॉट वी लीव एग्जैक्टली एट 5, बट समहाउ 5:50 we left. And Chirala is around 310 to 320, depends on which place from Hyderabad you're coming from, from Hyderabad. So for people in Hyderabad who are in the outskirts, Kukatpalli side and all, probably उन लोगों को थोड़ा और लंबा होगा, because they have to take the ORL and then reach the highway, and उन लोगों को around 7 hours पता था, but हमारे लिए we run the proper Hyderabad city, Begumpet, for us it was 6 hours. So we left at 5:50. It is 7:15 now. We have already covered 50-60 kilometers, and we are highway चढ़ गए हम लोग. 50-60 kilometers already cover हो गया, and अभी ETA हम लोगों को सिर्फ 5 hours बता रहा, around 270 kilometers बचे हुआ है. And breakfast के लिए अभी तक नहीं रुके. Probably the next break is breakfast, and after that probably by 1 o'clock, maybe including lunch, 1-1:30 तक हम पहुंचना है चिराला. एक और exciting thing क्या है, इस बार we have booked a home a farm house kind of thing in Chirala. So बहुत develop हो गया चिराला. There are so many things, so many aspects what we want to share with you, about Chirala and all that. So as and when we are progressing in the vlog, as and when we move ahead, we will share all our experiences of Chirala with you. A lot of things to speak and all that. So exciting thing is we are all going to stay together. It's not a typical resort or hotel where alag rooms and all that. So it's one house what we are staying. We are very excited. So अभी के लिए चलो निकलेंगे, and next मिलेंगे breakfast का टाइम पे. So let's go.
So basically हम लोग 2 कार में निकले, एक ये और एक दयाकर का कार. So most of them are there. So इसमें मैं, रम्या, Jagan, Tulsi, and the little ones. One is sleeping and one is trying to sleep, but उन्हें excitement में नहीं सो रहा. So we'll start. So घर से exactly 40 kilometers done. आपको दिख रहा. So we are done with exactly 40 kilometers. So चलो निकलेंगे, and the next stop probably would be breakfast. So like Ramya said, as and when जो दिखते रहता, we'll start sharing it with you, and let's try to make this an amazing vlog. And thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, in fact, right? So let's go.
we have reached our first toll, which is the Chotupal. This place is Patangi, right? Pantangi, and this is the first toll for today. And so 256 more kilometers, 4 hours 45 more minutes to go, and we've not yet stopped for breakfast. Looking for some good place to stop, so let's go.
All right. So we have stopped for breakfast. So normally everyday life में इतना सुबह Thank you. Normally इतना सुबह खाने वाले नहीं है, but then when you're traveling for some reason you feel hungry. So we stopped at this place called Durga Bhavani Family Restaurant. This is right next to Midway 7. The reason we didn't stop at Midway 7 is because वहाँ पे बहुत time हो जाता है and it's very crowded, and we didn't want to stop for a longer time. तो यहाँ पे रोके basically they have this food truck and this is the same thing basically. यहाँ पे भी बैठ के खा सकते हैं. चलो जाएंगे, पेट पूजा करेंगे first और चलते बढ़ेंगे. Let's go. Alright, so introducing the group. So you've already met Jagan. This is Nitesh. That is Nitesh's wife बोलना है, भावना बोलना. वो तुलसी you already met. That is Sandhya. This is Rajesh. दिख रहा? Rajesh दिख रहा? और ये हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब दया बाबू.
And we have a celebrity also here. If you people watch Telugu films, the Bapu film, which was released recently, is the director of that, which was quite famous. It is there available on Hotstar. You can still go and watch. And he is the celebrity. And not just that, a group में these are the old photos. If you see, these are the old photos, and you see Jagan and Tulsi in the Inobite. Rajesh was there, Dayakar was there in the last trip, and हाँ थोड़ा differences है, सब छोटे छोटे दिख रहे थे. अब देखो हम छोटे छोटे लोगों के साथ आए. So तुलसी वहाँ पे, if you are seeing Jagan and तुलसी, उन लोगों का बच्चा हो गया, हमारा बच्चा इतना बड़ा हो गया, इन लोगों का शादी हो गया, उनका शादी हो गया. So it's all like full family now. So very excited as a family to go to the same place and recreate the same moments what we actually like you know.
Yeah, I mean,
yes,
that's
same
something that
memories
we want
again
to
once
do.
again.
हम लोग को परसों बैठ के पुराने फोटोज वो सब निकाले and we want to recreate those photos as well. So that is one of the plans. So excited for that as well. तो हाँ, yeah. So anyway, just भूख लग रही, पहले अपन खाना ऑर्डर करें. Alright guys, so one thing I want to say, if you're going to Chirala, this place is must. एकदम crazy tasty food था. Chutney was out of the world and हम लोग इतना खाना खाए and bill was around $800. I was surprised, मतलब 1,500-2,000 होता समझा, but then it was just 800 something. So if you're traveling to Chirala and want to stop for breakfast, I would definitely recommend this place. उसके बगल में ही tea time है, so we'll have a coffee and then head back in the car and start rolling towards Chirala. Alright, so breakfast done. अभी हमारे को बता रहा और 241 किलोमीटर्स which will take around 4 hours 28 minutes. हाईवे अभी के लिए ऐसा है, स्ट्रेट आराम से जाने का है. थोड़ा आगे जाके डाइवर्जन रहता, वहाँ से स्टेट हाईवे लगता. सो येस, वी आर बैक ऑन द रोड. सो विल ट्राई टू हिट चिराला नॉन स्टॉप या फिर प्रॉबली विथ वन स्मॉल ब्रेक बिकॉज किड्स एंड ऑल आर देयर. सो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया आई थिंक बिकॉज एवरीबडी वोक अप अ लिटिल अर्ली, सो देयर आर चांसेस दैट our people might doze off in the car. So yes, so let's get going. Alright, so abhi apan highway pe hai. We still have got 230 kilometers. One thing to remember when you're going to Chirala is that this diversion, मैं तो इतने लोगों को देखा who misses this diversion. Straight अगर आप चल गए ये हाईवे पे सीधा विजयवाड़ा चले जाता. So you'll have to take this diversion towards the left और आगे जाके चौरस्ते से आपको right लेना, which will take you through the state highway. So we are leaving the national highway is what I believe. So it might be a national highway as well. But then always remember there is a diversion at Narketpalli नाकेटपल्ली का बोर्ड आपको जैसे ही दिखता है you'll have to take a diversion. स्ट्रेट चल गए बोले तो आई थिंक फॉर नेक्स्ट 10-15 किलोमीटर्स तक आपको यू टर्न भी नहीं है, तो बहुत आगे मिस हो गए थे. Yes.
Right, and I think you were told, right, like तुम्हारा बाइक ट्रिप में भी you had
couple of, not me, a couple of folks, they had to go some 15-20
first
kilometers.
time I remember that like हम आगे चले गए थे, फिर we came back and we had to take this.
Correct.
So this is an important thing, do not forget. So be very careful, like, and take this diversion. Do not miss. This is the beautiful view of the route to Chirala. So basically, अभी जुलाई का मंथ है, जुलाई 31st है. So बारिश हो गया. It's post monsoon and the paddy fields are all full green. And दोनों तरफ से, if you can see, like it's all green and very beautiful. पूरा paddy fields, like you know, are like looking so lush green, and like even the palm trees, like throughout बहुत ज़्यादा palm trees है and paddy fields है दोनों sides है, and the route is very beautiful and very scenic. Madugullapalli toll plaza and our 189 kilometers and 3 hours 40 minutes बचे हुआ है, and यहाँ पे मैगी का discussions चल रहा है, like यहाँ पे कि recently Rahul ordered मैगी 4 pieces का. yes. So we were discussing कौन सा places में कौन सा खाना खाना and all that, you know. Recently these guys got avocado and they didn't like the taste and they didn't eat. वही डिस्कस कर रहे थे. हाँ, मेरी मर्जी है. तो वो बातों में like मैगी का बात निकला, and we were discussing about मैगी. It's nice, it's fun always with family, with friends. Trips और खूबसूरत होता, like it's more beautiful, especially with kids and all that. We are so excited to go to reach our resort, like the farmhouse, and like, we just can't wait. And Tulsi is very excited for the beach. She's like, मुझे जल्दी पहुंचाओ.
कार ही डायरेक्ट
बीच में ले लेके चले जाएंगे. So चलो, let's see. And as I told you, the weather is a little sultry, but it's like, you know, it's green everywhere, probably because of the season. Yes, post monsoon and all, it's green everywhere, and it's full of paddy fields and, like, you know, palm trees, like, you know, all around, and it's very beautiful.
Alrighty, so और 140 किलोमीटर बाकी है अपने जर्नी को to reach Chirala, or rather to reach our resort. So I wanted to stop at this very particular point and show you something very magical. First thing, ये boundary कूद के इधर आ जाएंगे, and this is the mighty Krishna river that you are seeing. एकदम crazy scenes है आज. One thing we are realizing is पानी एकदम full है यहाँ पे. Even the, you know, paddy fields that we were seeing, वो भी अच्छा खासा मतलब पानी वानी में भरा था and all that stuff. So this is the Krishna river for you. Not only Krishna river, this side is Telangana and that side is Andhra. तो हम लोग तेलंगाना आंध्रा के बॉर्डर भी पहुंच गए. जहाँ पे भी तेलंगाना और आंध्रा के बीच में कृष्णा आता, व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इज इट इज़ ऑलवेज द बॉर्डर. सो बहुत प्लेसेस गए थे हम लोग रिसेंटली एक और प्लेस भी गए थे, सोमसीला. सो वहाँ पे भी कृष्णा है, एंड इवन दैट इज़ द बॉर्डर ऑफ आंध्रा एंड यू नो तेलंगाना. तो एनी विच वेज, सो वी आर एंटरिंग Andhra Pradesh. So I wanted to very specifically stop here and show you this amazing, the most beautiful Krishna river. हम लोग, you know why I'm fascinated, because हम लोग जब महाबलेश्वर गए थे वहाँ पे we saw the origin of Krishna river. वहाँ पे एक छोटा मंदिर है called कृष्णा है, वहाँ पे एक शिवलिंग है, शिवलिंग के नीचे से you know कृष्णा river originates and it flows all the way इधर जाके. oh crazy. हम लोग कृष्णा का कन्फ्लुएंस भी देखे डिंडी में, दैट इज़ इन आंध्र प्रदेश, उसका भी व्लॉग है. सो गो टू द चैनल, वी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑन आवर चैनल, मिस मत करो. ये सब बहुत क्रेजी प्लेसेस है एंड आर वेरी एक्सेसिबल फ्रॉम हैदराबाद. इफ़ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर प्लेसेस टू विजिट फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, डिंडी इज़ वन ऑफ द प्लेस दैट यू कैन गो. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम फैसिनेटेड. सो दिस इज़ द माइटी कृष्णा फॉर यू, एंड वी आर गोना क्रॉस द तेलंगाना बॉर्डर एंड एंटर आंध्र प्रदेश. नॉट ओनली दैट, वो साइड में देखो, let me just get okay standing here. So वो साइड अगर आप देख रहे, this is the bridge for of course vehicles. वहाँ पे सामने if you're seeing, that is a bridge for rail. तो वहाँ पे पूरा रेलवे ट्रैक है वहाँ से आ रहा, और एकदम क्रेजी दिख रहा, वो भी कृष्णा के ऊपर बने हुआ है. सो रेलवे ब्रिज देयर, नॉर्मल व्हीकल ब्रिज हियर, एंड the mighty Krishna here for you. Isn't that absolutely amazing?
ऑल राइट, सो हम एक डाइवर्शन लिए लाइक यू नो टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट एंड दिस इज़ द रोड टू चिराला. एंड यहाँ का एक स्पेशलिटी है ऑफ दिस रोड, लाइक यू नो वी वर वेटिंग फॉर दिस रोड तब से, बिकॉज लेफ्ट एंड राइट इफ यू सी बोथ द साइड दे आर फील्ड्स, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग लाइक यू नो पूरा पैडी फील्ड्स रहेगा, पूरा ग्रीन ग्रीन रहेगा एंड ऑल दैट. अभी प्रॉबली फार्मिंग शुरू नहीं हुआ, सो दे आर एम्प्टी, बट जस्ट लुक एट द रोड इन द फ्रंट. सो दोनों साइड ट्रीज है and these trees kind of create a canopy kind of like you know structure, so it's so beautiful like you know for kilometers to kilometers तक यहाँ पे सेम वो canopy के जैसा रहेगा, like you know दोनों साइड trees and all, it's like really beautiful. and last time हम जब आए थे यहाँ पे बारिश हो रहा था and it was like really beautiful, that drizzling rain and then बीच में बारिश and this trees both the sides and all. यहाँ पे अभी बारिश नहीं है but फिर भी like you know इसका नज़ारा तो बहुत beautiful है ये रोड में. major thing is that like you know the way canopy बनता ना, like you know from because the branches of the trees है, that's really beautiful. so अभी और 1.5 hours है हमारे को चिराला जाने के लिए. so like you know we are enjoying the drive. सब सो गए हमारा, like you know फैमिली वाले पीछे, बच्चे भी सो गए, मैं और राहुल कर रहे लगातार बात, like हमारा तो बात खत्म ही नहीं होता. and so we are enjoying our good time while the rest of the crew and the family is sleeping. and look at the canopy, this is what I was trying to say, like this is what I wanted to show, like wow. अच्छा है ना राहुल, तेलंगाना में like you know from Hyderabad and all like really you know places like you know to visit बहुत कम है, and especially scenic places बहुत कम है. and few places, and this is one of the few places में, yes this is one of the beautiful scenic routes like you know from Hyderabad. so enjoy the view and we are enjoying our journey and excited for Rahul's birthday. Look at him. He's wearing all beach green color shirt and all. I chose that.
I actually can't wait to go for now because we'll be reaching peak afternoon mein.
Yes.
I want to jump in the pool.
Pool, yes.
Probably till the evening.
Yeah.
And then we can go towards the
both hai plans, both hai, as when we'll go there like we'll actually decide what to do and like you know and all that.
Yes,
whether ठीक है तो बीच को जाएंगे for sure. pool है, पता नहीं कितना अच्छा है, but फिर भी पूल में जाने का तो प्लान है. ये प्लेस
रिसेंटली अपन बहुत कोस्टल एरियाज घूमे.
यस.
अभी केरला का व्लॉग्स आल्सो आई एम गेसिंग
Yes, 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 yes.
इफ यू हैवंट जाके देखो, एकदम क्रेजी वीडियोस है केरला का, बट कोई बीच में नहीं खेले जाके.
हाँ, बिकॉज वी वर इन अ हरी. केरला में हमारा टाइम बहुत कम था, गर्मी ज़्यादा था and itinerary बहुत ज़्यादा था. there were too many places like you know to visit and all that, so we could not stop at any beaches because एक बार तुम बीच में रोक दिए फिर again like you get wet and go to the next place is very tough. that's the reason we kind of avoided because फिर कार में चढ़ना and all that. but here see this is kind of the trips we love the most, you know. एक ही place, एक ही रिसोर्ट और whatever फार्म हाउस जो भी है for couple of days and then ज़्यादा itinerary कुछ भी नहीं है, places to visit कुछ भी नहीं है, and then enjoy. अब व्लॉग का व्लॉग भी होगा, तुम्हारा भी थोड़ा पर्सनल लाइफ पर्सनल टाइम भी मिलेगा, वो ही सबसे बैलेंस होगा. एंड येस अभी आइटिनरी एंड प्लेसेस टू विजिट का बात आई एंड नाउ एनीवेज यू नो like you know we are anyways like traveling, so I thought like we should know more about Chirala. and abhi like you know yes like couple of quick things, you know. of course it is one of the things what we know is it is the nearest beach town to Hyderabad, hence it is one of the hot spots for people in Hyderabad to go enjoy your beach time. okay, first thing is that. second thing iska like you know basically it is not in Telangana, it is actually in Andhra Pradesh, like you know this is, and it is in the Prakasham district. and एक और क्या है इसका like you know this like this town is not very new and all. काकतीय डायनेस्टी के टाइम से भी ये टाउन एग्जिस्ट होता है. वो टाइम में पाता चिराला इज व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू कॉल, एंड क्षीरा सागर आल्सो इन कपल ऑफ द ओल्ड you know like literature and all, this city was mentioned called as क्षीरा सागर, which means that sea of milk, like you know that's what it was mentioned. and वो है एक और चीज़, why kind of Chirala apart from being a beach town, what else. ये थोड़ा ये देखो canopy, wow nice ना, वेरी नाइस. थोड़ा हल्का सा बारिश होता और बहुत मज़ा आता था. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा, बट ग्रीन तो है लाइक राइट, यू नो इट्स गुड. सो या अगेन कमिंग बैक टू चिराला, एक और रीज़न क्यों थोड़ा फेमस हिस्टोरिकली इज डोंट वरी, ज़्यादा यहाँ पे स्टोरी नहीं बताने वाली हूँ, लाइक अदर प्लेसेस एंड ऑल दैट. यहाँ पे बिकॉज स्टोरी है ही कम. ओके, एंड देन नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is how many days is sufficient for Chirala. Most of them just come for overnight, like, you know, over the weekend. They leave in the morning and they reach here by afternoon, and then lunch and followed by some beach time, and then they'll get back the next day. Yeah, that is also good, but preferably if you're there for 2 nights, it's good because you get more time and like, you know, more beach time, and like you can explore more places as well, like, you know, more different beaches, like, you know, I told you, right, there are 2-3 more beaches and places to stay. There are a lot of options available now, from your basic resorts, hotels, to your luxury resorts and all. As I told you, पहले ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं था, बट अभी तो बहुत दुनिया का ऑफर्स है, लाइक, यू नो, सॉरी, ऑप्शंस है. इफ़ यू गो टू एनी स्टैंडर्ड लाइक ट्रैवल वेबसाइट, गोइबिबो, अगोडा, चूज योर बेस्ट डील जहाँ पे मिल रहा. देयर इज विवेरा, विच इज़ अ वेरी लग्जूरियस लाइक, यू नो, प्रॉपर्टी, एंड देयर इज़ like Myra resorts, I believe, and there are a lot of things, you know, that is all on the beach side and in the town as well. Not in the town, like beach ke thoda, like, you know, अंदर भी, like there's so many options, so accommodation is not at all an issue. Personal experience क्या है, बहुत quite overpriced दिखता मुझे, like frankly, because even we were like searching for, like, you know, resorts and all, like 4-5 thousand तो like standard, like per night, and it sometimes goes up to 7-8, like सीजन में 8-9-10,000 तक भी है. थोड़ा ओवर रेटेड दिखता है, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स, यू नो, द रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज इट इज़ द नियरेस्ट बीच टाउन. वो एक चीज़ है. सो दैट्स अकोमोडेशन, नो इश्यूज एंड ऑल दैट, लाइक, यू नो, नॉट एट ऑल एन इश्यू, यू कैन स्टे देयर. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ यू आर चूजिंग टू स्टे इन Sri-Lanka, there's a Harita property there, like, you know, adjacent to the beach. Even that is good option, like, you know, and then you can probably visit Chirala. And how to reach here, of course, the first preference is by your own vehicle, car and all that, but you have direct buses from Hyderabad to Chirala town, and from there you can just, like, you know, you can take auto or cab and then reach your hotel, and then वहाँ पे anyways it's mostly beach, you know, you don't have much of sightseeing places, तो तुम्हारे like आपको बस को 2-wheeler की कार की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ज़्यादा. You can just enjoy the beach and your resort. And there is a railway station as well in Chirala town, which like, you know, Hyderabad से बहुत ट्रेन्स है, like more than 7-8 trains every day चलता है to Chirala. 7 to 8 hours का जर्नी है, so that way it is well connected, like, you know, through train and by buses as well. Alright, so हम है अभी नरसरावपेट में, and नरसरावपेट में बोलो
राव,
हाँ, पेट है,
पेट,
हाँ, नरसरावपेट, हाँ, तो वहीं पे है. एंड 75 मोर किलोमीटर्स है, 1.5 hours है. एंड अभी नेक्स्ट प्रॉबली लंच के लिए वी आर प्लानिंग टू हैव लंच इन द चिराला टाउन इटसेल्फ, एंड देन हेड टू अवर प्लेस, बिकॉज वहाँ जाके फिर वो जाने के बाद फिर लंच का अरेंज करना एंड ऑल दैट, यू नो, विल वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो एज सून एज वी गो, वी वांट टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़, पूल टाइम एंड ऑल दैट. सो प्लान है कि चिराला टाउन में ही हम लंच खा के डायरेक्टली हम फार्म हाउस को जाने का प्लान है. प्रॉब्ली चिराला टाउन में है, सो वी विल सी यू देयर इन चिराला टाउन व्हेन वी स्टॉप फॉर लंच. सो एक चीज़ है, लास्ट टाइम हम जब चिराला आए थे, रोड्स थोड़ा अलग थे, थोड़ा वी हैड टू टेक अ डाइवर्शन लेफ्ट में, थोड़ा गाँवों के बीच में, एंड ऑल वी केम, लाइक, यू नो, अराउंड लाइक 50-60 किलोमीटर तो पूरा गाँव के बीच था. पता नहीं इस बार वी डिडंट कम, आई मीन लाइक आई डोंट नो, वी जस्ट स्किप दैट, बिकॉज पूरा का पूरा हाईवेज बने हुआ है, पूरा आउटर रिंग रोड्स है. एंड कांट बिलीव, लाइक दिस इज प्रॉब्ली 3rd or 4th like, you know, flyover what we are going to take, and probably it's not started, but the roads are like extremely beautiful. Just have a look at it.
बन रहे अभी भी, but most of them is the roads are nice compared to how it was earlier.
Like frankly, मतलब so far, like we didn't even, like we rarely came across any patchy roads or, like, you know, rough roads and all. It's like superb. पूरा flyovers है, पूरा outer ring road है, and then we are just shocked, like, you know, like we almost reached Chirala. It's just 30 kilometers, and so far it's like too good, like frankly too good, and like wonderful. Probably that's the reason कम बता रहा ETA, because I still remember last time when we came it was around,
मैं जब last time आया था ना,
हाँ, so
ये बन रहा था बाबा जगह, so ये स्ट्रक्चर मतलब शी का वो सब
बहुत अच्छा है, like really beautiful. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's what I was trying to say was like the last time ETA was more than 7 hours, and I was quite surprised. 6 hours kaisa bata raha? Yes, because the roads are too good and like yeah, really good. So we have now officially entered the Chirala town. ये है Chirala railway station यहाँ पे पास में है, and we're just crossing the track. It's 12 kilometer for our farmhouse, but Chirala, like you know, the Ramapuram beach should be around 7 to 8 kilometers from here. So we are looking for restaurants to stop for lunch. So देखेंगे. So basically this is the Chirala town. So we've entered the Chirala town. So let's go. हम enter हुए and it's only 7 kilometers for our farmhouse, and we have stopped at this place for lunch, which is the Ram Babu Mess. Reason why we stopped at this place, actually Chirala, which is also called as Bapatla town, which is the nearest town. वहाँ पे भी बहुत रेस्टोरेंट्स है, एंड वहाँ पे भी लास्ट टाइम एक रेस्टोरेंट था, अमरावती रेस्टोरेंट वी हैड फूड देयर, वो भी अच्छा था. यहाँ पे क्यों आया? बिकॉज वन मोर टाइम व्हेन वी हैड कम लास्ट टाइम, द रीसेंट टाइम वी हैड स्टॉप्ड हियर. यहाँ पे क्या है, दोनों मिलता, मतलब साउथ इंडियन मील्स, द आंध्रा मील्स टिपिकल, एंड एज वेल एज योर नॉन वेज curries and biryani as well. So आज Thursday है, many people in our group are vegetarian, so we thought we should stop at a place which has good options for both veg and non-veg. And मेरे को भी personally थोड़ा craving आ रहा था आंध्रा meals खाने का, so we stopped at this place. Last time decent था, ठीक था खाना, and so अभी we are waiting for the others, you know, the another car to come, and as soon as they come, we'll go inside and we will explore the menu and explore the food. Chino! Hi! Hi! Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday.
Daddy ka happy birthday! Daddy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
You're sad? He's still sleepy.
Happy birthday.
Sleepy head. Happy birthday!
Waking up, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! करेंगे अब शाम तक, देख मस्त.
Happy birthday to you, Mama.
So, couple of us ordered veg meals, couple of us chicken biryani. So veg meals तो आया, गरम गरम चावल है, इतना आइटम्स है, रसम, सांबर, दाल, चटनी, and dry sabjis. Yes. And the biryani is yet to arrive. So it's good. The taste is really good, and we are just enjoying our meal. So चलो खाएंगे. Okay, okay. So after that sumptuous lunch, sumptuous. हाँ ठीक ही था, मतलब अच्छा था टेस्ट. It was good, like you know, हाँ तो above average था. It was good, like you know, I wouldn't say excellent, but बहुत अच्छा था. तो after that heavy meal, I would say, हो गया खाना. अब नींद आ रहा फाइनली, लाइक ना 2 बजे, it's 2:15, but we are not sleeping because we want to enjoy our day, because it's Rahul's birthday boy. All of you who are seeing this vlog, I know it's late, but you can still wish Rahul. He is open for the wishes for the entire year, aren't you?
Yes.
Yes, we love our birthday. So ठीक है, अब हम दिन तो वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, नहीं करते. So we will go to the farmhouse and freshen up as soon as possible and carry on with our next, like you know, plans, itinerary and all that. So अभी time waste नहीं करेंगे. So अभी approximately 10 minutes है farmhouse from here. So अभी जाएंगे farm को, and the immediate next thing what you will see is the farm tour. So let's go explore and see our farm. We are finally near the beach.
This was the resort.
Palm Coast. Yes.
This was one of the few.
This was one of the few ones. Like you know, the last time when we came, like you know, once upon a time. तो अभी if you see, we are almost near the beach. ये है main road beach का. So that is the beach. And wow, and actually ये road ना वहाँ से शुरू होता, वहाँ से like you know there's another road like from there. Think एक 2 किलोमीटर अंदर आने के बाद ये spot आते, and this is one of the resorts, as I told you, या पीछे Palm like you know resorts. This was only one of the resorts at one point of time, but if now you see there are so many resorts, and वहाँ पे this is what I was trying to tell. ये पूरा जो lane है ना, this side was all trees, palm trees, eucalyptus trees and all. Now if you see, you can rarely find any trees, and this is the beach, but it's fine. अब आगे जाके देखेंगे, like you know, we'll go towards a resort, like you know, or the farmhouse. So that's the beach, and this is the lane. As I told you, पूरा लेन पूरा resorts हो गया. देखो यहाँ पे रॉयल resorts है, Meghna Beach Resorts, and पीछे there is B2 Resorts and many other resorts. And
bro,
wow, and Blue Waves Resort. Oh, a lot of things have changed. So commercial it has become. I mean, like so many things. You can see so many resorts. And look at the beach. Looks like the waves are quite high. Waves are quite high today. But a very unfortunate thing is like last time पूरा eucalyptus, pine trees and palm trees थे. इस बार कुछ भी नहीं है. Like it's completely deforested. Probably, you know, for more resorts to come up, more like, you know, they are developing the tourism for sure, but I don't know at what cost of like cutting they could have retained the trees and still managed. So this is the Sea Breeze Resort. So this is one of the famous resorts here, used to be, and abhi isse acha like, you know, resorts aaya hai. So but this is one of the oldest resorts, and wow, this lane feels so nostalgic because isn't it Jagan, right? Tulsi, याद है पूरा यहाँ पे हम कैसे लाइक यू नो 6-7 years पहले मस्त आके पूरा यहाँ पे खेल के इतने फोटोज इतना लाइक एंजॉय कर रहे थे, पूरा नॉस्टैल्जिक बट फीलिंग वेरी लकी एंड वेरी हैप्पी. फिर से आए सेम फैमिली के साथ एंड इट इज़ फीलिंग सो नाइस एंड लाइक इट इज़ ऑलरेडी वी आर फीलिंग सो हैप्पी ऑलरेडी. वाव, लाइक लुक एट इट, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, लाइक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. अच्छा, आए हम हमारा फार्म हाउस को. दिस इज़ द फार्म हाउस. This is Mahormi Beach House.
Okay, Rajesh, so how was your journey till here?
Yes, it was a nice journey. It was not risky like previous before, and here we reach our destination, our Mahormi 3 BHK house. Let's get in.
आपका कैसा था? Like we are traveling after ages together.
It was awesome. Had a great time. And the road was awesome. We came in within like 6 to
Within the
7
time अपन जो सोचे
वो टाइम पे आ गए.
मैं 2 o'clock सोचा 1:30 तक we are there. ठीक है, anyways we'll go inside and we'll check how the place is. सबसे worst room राजेश को देना था. Alright, so we have reached the farmhouse finally. तो I'll give you a quick tour of how this farmhouse is. ये parking area है and beach is right there. दिख रहा आपको? Just like a 2 minutes walk and the beach is there. और वहाँ पे कोई नहीं. It looks like a private beach and this is the resort or rather the farmhouse. तो चलो अंदर चलेंगे and let's see how that is. That is the door. तो चलो let's go. Oh wow, small, compact, and this is already so beautiful. Yeah, there's a pool here. Must garden types बने हुआ है. Let's explore this place. Wow, nice. Already I'm liking it. Nice. So देखो, ये है हमारा stay for the next 2 days. Absolutely beautiful. Right next to the beach. तो जैसे आपको ये दिख रहा, ये एक छोटा pool है. Of course, we're gonna change and the first thing that we're gonna do is jump in the pool. And ये side अपना accommodation है. यहाँ पे एक छोटा झूला है. And there are rooms here. So these are like, you know, they're made out of containers. That's what it looks like. तो नीचे एक space है, वहाँ पे rooms है और ऊपर वाले container में भी rooms है. Of course अंदर जाके भी देखेंगे. So अभी beach को जाने का plan नहीं है. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's pretty sultry. It's not very hot, but then we wish probably like, you know, 1 घंटे के बाद वैसा we'll go. So what we'll do is probably we'll jump into the pool and वही मतलब anyways कपड़े कच्चे हो जाते हैं तो वैसे ही we can go to the beach and start swimming there. So चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे and see how this place is. सही है बॉस. Nice. Really liking it. Yeah, nice. Augie, let's check out the room. Come, let's check out the room. Chalo. Come. Yay! Room. Okay, AC is on. Wow, nice. अच्छा है बाबा.
अच्छा है.
So this is the living area that you have. So यहाँ पे you have sofas, you have fridge and a TV, and then this is And this is the bedroom. Pretty nice, decent. Oh, इधर भी AC है. Nice, buddy. So ये है. And then you have cupboards and all that stuff. और you have a tiny bathroom. Container feeling नहीं आ रहा, but it is actually nice. तो अपन अभी ऊपर का भी जाके will show you the tour of the ऊपर वाला room as well. अरे वाह, मस्त सी व्यू एकदम crazy. Damn, let me show this view to you. ये देखो अपना पूल है and this is the first floor वाला room. So ये पूरा lawn है completely. Isn't that beautiful? ये pool है and that is the sea for you. Crazy scenes, boss. Crazy scenes. अभी अंदर जाएंगे. Let's give you a quick tour of this. Yes. Okay. So this is one room. Exactly जैसा नीचे है and it has got an attached bathroom here. Light flicker हो रहा. And then you have this open space here. जो नीचे थोड़ा crammed up है, यहाँ पे it is a little better. And there's a fridge and a music system there kept for us. And this is the balcony. That is the view of the mighty Bay of Bengal. Absolutely amazing, boss. अरे क्या क्रेजी है ना रे सीन.
हाँ भाई क्या मस्त है, मस्त व्यू. मेरे को तो मजा आ गया.
एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
और है क्योंकि शुरू ही नहीं करे हम.
पूल में जाना है, बीच को जाना है.
लॉन्ग डे
एंड पेरेंट्स इन द लाइफ
मेकिंग.
रेडी हो रहे हैं.
प्रैक्टिस भी कर रहे हैं.
उसको भी एक डायलॉग करते थे.
हेलो बोलो. हेलो हेलो हाय. हेलो बोलो हेलो. Any which ways, what's the next plan? We'll freshen up and
हम रूम्स डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कौन कहाँ पे रहना एंड ऑल दैट. सो थोड़ा पर्सनल फैमिली डिस्कशन चल रहा है. उसके बाद हम
टाइम हो जाता है बीच को जाके, फिर आके पूल में जाना है, फिर इधर पार्टी करना है.
ये शी सो एक्साइटेड. तो प्रोबेबली फर्स्ट पूल में उतरेंगे बिकॉज अभी बहुत धूप है.
so what the caretaker is suggesting is if you go to the pool and then to the sea you'll get very dehydrated. So what he's saying,
not waste time. पूल में जाएंगे हम बहुत बार करे. ठीक है, रूल्स है ब्रेक करने के लिए. चलो
ठीक है, I'm fine with
और एक
anything.
और चीज़ क्या है यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस है खाने का. प्रॉबली यू कैन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. देयर सो मेनी रिसोर्ट्स एंड देयर सो मेनी होटल्स आल्सो नियर बाय एंड स्विगी आल्सो इज अवेलेबल. सो यू कैन ऑर्डर. वो एक ऑप्शन है. एंड एक और ऑप्शन है, he will cook for us and that is also an option. So we're deciding on that, like because we have to give him the menu for the dinner. So वो discuss करके we'll give the order, then get into the pool and then go to the beach. Probably that's the plan. So अभी के लिए, so let's discuss that and then start our beautiful day here in Mahormi.
Beautiful evening
in Mahormi guest house.
This is Mahormi guest house. So in case if you guys liked it, I would suggest out of 10 I would give 8.
Yes, so far, too good. Yes. No, the location is good.
It's neat and clean.
It's
There is
neat
what
and
I'm
clean.
saying.
Rooms are good. The cozy, proper घर वाला feeling है यहाँ पे. Frankly, it actually feels like home. ये disconnected वाला feeling नहीं
नहीं
है.
है. And it's right next to the sea. So in case if you're interested, मैं ये resort का number you're seeing right on the screen. So if you're coming to Chirala, you can contact them. पूरा hassle free था हमारा booking and all that stuff. So like Ramya said, अभी फ्रेशन अप होंगे. रूम्स डिसाइड हो रहे हैं. फ्रेशन अप होने के बाद विल सी यू डायरेक्टली इन द फ्रीकिंग पूल.
ओके ऑलराइट. फिर हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं पूल में. सी हमारा दोस्तों, हमारा फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली.
मस्त चिकन करी, बगारा राइस और क्या बनाए?
और
प्रॉन्स
एंड पनीर.
मैं तो इतना सारा खाऊंगी.
So yes, actually हम like you know we thought that Swiggy.
Guys, please जल्दी आओ चिराला अभी मस्त एंजॉय करा यो यो
Okay, so we chose. Okay, good,
so
good.
Exactly. So we thought Swiggy and all, like anyways we regularly do it. So we thought that Swiggy nahi chahiye. So we thought like we'll give order here. Maybe we can taste some घर का खाना. So we have given the order as Tulsi told. Chicken curry, chicken fry, roti, paneer, dal, and bagara chawal. Like you know. So food is getting prepared. So basically in log they will get the groceries as well. They'll give you the bill. You will just have to pay that. And for the making it's 1,000 rupees. For 6 dishes, so we've given the order and अभी dinner ready हो रहा. Meanwhile we are enjoying in the pool and अभी sunset का time नहीं हुआ. It's towards the evening, like अभी 4 o'clock के type हो गया. So अभी एक आधा घंटा 1 घंटा pool में और थोड़ा enjoy करने के बाद then we will head towards the beach and really excited. The main thing, like the main excitement is actually the beach. Excited है सब beach के लिए? Athar was very excited. Yay!
Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Yay!
Okay, so करेंगे enjoy. So
So see you at the beach next. All right, so we are done with pool time. Now it's time to head to the
beach. Okay, so we are heading to the beach. The waves are a little high today and the sea is looking little aggressive. But पता नहीं आगे जाने के बाद पता चलेगा. But anyways we are excited, like you know, beach के पास जाने के लिए. So अभी 6:15, 6:20 है तो जाएंगे, थोड़ा टाइम pool में spend करेंगे and all that. And another thing, if you are an early riser, you should not miss the sunrise, you know, from this.
Are we going to see the sunrise?
No, we are not. We can't wake up early. We are not. Oh, Tulsi wants to see the sunrise.
Sunrise
तो आज
देखना है?
उठ गए जल्दी and बस से मेरा कोटा हो गया.
कल सुबह सनराइज देखना है क्या?
कोशिश
हाँ,
करेंगे
ये
कोशिश
आज like 2 o'clock उठती मैं. No, आज का
ठीक
कोटा
है,
हो गया.
रेडी?
Yes.
चलेंगे रम्या?
चलो चलो.
चलेंगे?
Let's not waste time.
Let's go नितिश. Let's go, चलो. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed those crazy shots. हम लोग तो मस्त enjoy करे बीच पे. It was absolutely beautiful because बहुत टाइम के बाद, especially me and Ramya, हम लोग बहुत टाइम के बाद we actually went to a beach. अगस्त्या तो he was enjoying like crazy because वो water का पागल है एकदम. So we had crazy fun. So how about you guys?
Yeah, enjoyed a lot.
Enjoyed a lot?
Yes.
Excited for tomorrow? One more day is there.
Yo,
कल कहाँ लेके जा रहे? फिश मार्केट लेके जा रहे?
मार्केट क्या बोलते हैं? रेवो क्या बोलते हैं प्लेस का? सेम प्लेस पे था जी? Order Revo morning breakfast with fish.
Fish.
Yes.
You know it.
Yeah.
हाँ. Okay. Fish with हाँ, there's so many itinerary में, so many plans for tomorrow. Of course, you know, Surya Lanka we plan. Surya Lanka भी जाने का plan है. बहुत places है. Order Revo beach है. This is actually the Chirala Beach and इसके आगे एक और छोटा वाला beach है. देखेंगे कल का कल. But अभी के लिए very tired. 8:30 हो गया. खाना आना शुरू हो गया. We are all very hungry. बहुत भूख लग रहा. तो चिकन स्टार्टर्स आ गया, प्रॉन्स आ गया. अब वी आर वेटिंग फॉर राइस एंड चिकन करी एंड पनीर एंड रोटी. तो आते ही वी विल हैव अ डिनर एंड एंड टुडे. बहुत टायर्ड है बट बहुत मजा आ गया. एंड वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे राहुल.
Thank you.
कम ऑन प्रेम. Once again, happy birthday, Rahul. May God bless you. Okay, all right. Good morning from Chirala. This is day 2 for us in Chirala. कल बहुत मस्ती की है, बहुत enjoy करे रात में. We sang songs, music सुने, like बहुत लोग नाचे भी, हमारा टीम में बहुत गुड डांसेस है, बहुत एंजॉय करे. एंड यहाँ का खाना भी बहुत अच्छा था. द गाइड सुरेश हिज फैमिली एक्चुअली कुक्स द फूड, इट वाज रियली गुड. 2 सेकंड में पूरा खाना भी खत्म हो गया. एंड वी हैड अ वंडरफुल नाइट. सो आज सुबह आराम से उठे. अभी 10:30 ऑलरेडी, आई मीन इट्स 11. सो जो जल्दी उठे उन लोग यहाँ पे वडारेवू बीच के पास गए. दे गॉट द ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर द पीपल हु वर स्लीपिंग. वी जस्ट हैड इडली एंड डोसा. And we are ready to start our day 2, and we are so excited, can't tell you. If you can see, this is the beach. We are right here, right here in front of us is the beautiful beach. The advantage is it's a weekday, it's a Friday today, and yesterday आज कल भी ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे, आज भी ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है. इन द इंटायर बीच लुक्स एम्प्टी. एंड एक और चीज़ क्या है, वो साइड एज आई टोल्ड यू बिगिनिंग से वहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही क्राउड रहता है, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा रिसोर्स वहाँ पे है. बट टुवर्ड्स द एंड एंड ऑल दैट थोड़ा क्राउड भी कम रहता है. एंड यहाँ पे कंपैरेटिवली कंपेयर टू द बिगिनिंग यहाँ पे थोड़ा क्लीन है, बहुत अच्छा है बीच एंड ऑल दैट. वी आर सुपर एक्साइटेड. ही इज़ ऑल्सो सुपर एक्साइटेड. तब से बुला रहा था. ही फेल्ट सैड दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग आउट. सो अभी के लिए प्लान क्या है, आज टुडे इज़ आवर रिसोर्ट डे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टे in the resort mostly, and towards the evening again we'll go to the beach, we'll enjoy in the beach. So अभी के लिए roughly ये है plan. And lunch के लिए already order दे दिए. एक चीज़ क्या है इन चिराला, डो नॉट मिस टू ईट सी फूड. yesterday भी प्रॉन्स मंगाए थे. आज सुबह हमारा फ्रेंड्स दे वेंट टू द वडारेवू बीच. वहाँ पे सुबह सुबह जो फिशिंग होता है, वहाँ फ्रेश फिश मिलता, प्रॉन्स मिलता, सी फूड मिलता, लॉट ऑफ दैट. सो देव गॉट फिश, देव गॉट प्रॉन्स एंड प्लस अ कपल ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. सो लंच इज गेटिंग रेडी. मीनवाइल वी आर नॉट वेस्टिंग. इट्स क्वाइट सनी. सो बीच के लिए जाने का नहीं है. सो अभी के लिए पूल में एंजॉय करेंगे. हमारा ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे एक तेर
ब्लू व्हेल. हेलो. समुंदर में से ब्लू व्हेल निकल के पूल में आ गया.
हाँ, चलो मामा इन द पूल. चलो
अगर से पूल,
चलो स्विमिंग पूल. ही रेडी ऑलरेडी. सो चलो स्विमिंग पूल जाएंगे मामा के पास. चलो. सो अभी वी विल गो टू द पूल एंड उसके बाद देखेंगे हाउ द डे गोज. एंड चलो अभी के लिए लेट्स गो टू द पूल. खाना रेडी है. सो पूल टाइम हो गया. बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड है. एंड अभी आया, ये हमारा स्टार्टर्स है. चिकन या फ्राई एंड फिश है. वहाँ पे प्रॉन्स भी है एंड सांबर, राइस, फिश करी. इट्स ऑल रेडी. एंड बगारा बैगन. Okay, so it's all ready. So okay, so let's have lunch and then probably we'll think of whether to go out or to go to the beach or to go to the city. So abhi ke liye let's enjoy this sumptuous lunch.
ఓకే. ఏముందన్నా? రెడ్ జెండానా? ఓకే ఓకే, అక్కడ వరకు. ఇక్కడ అచ్చా, ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్. ఓకే, డన్. యా బీచ్లోనే ఉంటాం అక్కడ. చలో. It started raining also. Wow, it started raining.
ओके सो फाइनली हमारा चिराला ट्रिप हो गया एंड 2 nights हो गया. आज थर्ड डे है एंड it's a Saturday and with a heavy heart we have to leave. Like you know, it was really beautiful. The experience was wonderful. As I told you in the beach yesterday, things have changed. A lot of things have changed here since the time last time हम जो आए थे 2018 में, 19 में, 2022 में भी वो कंपैरिजन में बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस है. Frankly speaking, a couple of the differences, evident differences, what we saw was फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रॉपर्टीज़ पहले स्टे का ऑप्शंस बहुत कम था, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शन है फ्रॉम योर बजट लेवल टू योर लग्जरी लेवल. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग सो दैट वे. एंड खाने का पहले बहुत प्रॉब्लम था, अभी खाने का भी बहुत स्विगी भी डिलीवर होता एंड सो मेनी रेस्टोरेंट्स. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. बीच मेजरली तो पहले इट वॉज मेजरली द लोकल एज यूज टू यूज दिस एंड so that way, like you know, it was majorly dirty in most of the places and all that, but abhi it's not like that. You know, the beach is super clean, super nice and very beautiful. And so that way, like you know, of all the Chirala, that's what beginning में मैं बोली थी ना, बहुत चीज़ें हैं तो शेयर करने का and all that, you know. And now I will conclude हमारा जो चर्चा हुआ, discussions हुआ and all that, so that इतने सालों से जो है, इतने बार जो है, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ चिराला व्हाट वी हैड. सो पीपल फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, यू शुड श्योरली कंसिडर this place. We do recommend this place because first of all this is the nearest beach to Hyderabad. Second thing, now it is actually a very beautiful tourist destination because अभी आंध्र का गवर्नमेंट भी चेंज हुआ, so they are also concentrating a lot on tourism. एक और चीज़ बताना था, पहले रोड्स बहुत लंबा लेकिन 7 to 8 hours बताता था, अभी it's just 6 hours, you know, not more than that because roads भी बहुत improve है. Like we told you right in the beginning of the vlog that mostly it's all expressways, mostly it's all like you know highways, like you know flyovers hai and then you know like तुम्हारा ORRs है like most of the places में. So that is also good. So बहुत beautiful experience था, we enjoyed a lot and hope you also will come here with your friends and family and enjoy. And now it is time to say goodbye to you and goodbye to this beautiful property we are checking out. We are heading to Hyderabad. अभी time है 11 o'clock and probably evening तक हम पहुँचेंगे. So with that, bye bye for now, but stay tuned and watch our channel because there are many more exciting videos to come, many more beautiful travel trips to come which are lined up, and as well as go back. Do not forget to go back and watch our previous vlogs of like you know Kerala series and then you know Ooty, Kodaikanal series, and like there are a lot of series and Maharashtra series and all that. And hope you guys like our content, and if you like our content, you always know what to do. You have to first like, share and subscribe, as well as do not stop loving us and supporting us so much because it's because of you, you know, we are doing so much and it's because of your love, you know, which is giving us the motivation to do so much and all that. Love you all, like, and bye bye and see you from Monday Blues Travels for now.